thanks for stopping by my channel today. It's your girl LT. Thanks for stopping by Slay LT. And today I have a small Fashion Nova haul. And if you guys have seen any of my other videos and you like what you've seen so far, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of good things coming your way. Just to let you guys know, the video, I'm doing a small haul first, like I do in most of my videos. This one is actually, I'm sorry, this is a small haul, but first in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull the pieces out of the bag for you. And the next video, I will actually do like a stand up to show you exactly what's in my pieces or whatever that I picked. This is a real small haul. I think I bought like 3 pieces with this haul, but this is from Fashion Nova, and the pieces that I picked out, they're very up-to-date spring-like pieces, very cute. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. This is gonna be a small haul, a small show, like I said, just to show you guys what I have in my bag. And let's get started. In the next video, which is going to be after this one, this is part 1. The second video that I have coming up is actually going to show the pieces. Like I said, I'll probably be in my glam room. I'm in one of my bedrooms right now, so excuse the mess. You know, this is just one of the rooms that we have here. But yeah, so let me get started here. And came in this Fashion Nova bag. And in the next video, I actually go through each piece and let you know how the garment feels and all that good stuff. So let me just go ahead and get started here. So I'm just gonna open it here. Now I ordered this, what day was that? I ordered this last Monday. So I think it took relatively about a week to come. I don't want to cut the garment, so let me make sure I'm cutting the right thing. And again, it came in the Fashion Nova bag. I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling out the pieces here. Like I said, it's 3 pieces. The first thing I got was, as you guys know, I am on my weight loss journey. I'm trying to lose some weight. So, not trying. I am losing weight. So far, your girl has lost 12 pounds. I'm very excited about that. My face is slimming down. My body feels more lighter. I'm feeling healthier. My skin is getting clearer. My face is getting clearer. So I'm all excited about that. So when I went to the Fashion Nova site, I absolutely had to get these jeans. These are the wide leg waist hugger jeans. The waist length, I think I said it right. The waist, the ones that comes above your waist jeans. And I ordered it in a size 14 because I wanted to make sure that I can basically wear them at a smaller size as well. So let me go ahead and just open that right quick. And it should smell pretty good. As you can see, they do stretch. Oh, I love these. These are cute. Super cute. And like I said, these are the waist length jeans, and they're very stretchy, you guys. Very stretchy. And they come with the, what is it, 5, 6 buttons. So these are super cute. And then if you can see, they have the ripped jeans style with the wide legs. These are going to be real cute. I can't wait to get into these. And they're very stretchy. Wow. I like the fact that it stretches like that. So those are going to be real cute. Once I get those on, I can tell. The second piece that I have is also in a Fashion Nova bag by itself. And this was a size XL. This is a 2-piece tie-dye suit. Very simple. Something you can wear with like some clear glass heels. And also probably some sneakers, some wedges. The wedges would be cute as well. It's just a plain 2-piece pantsuit. This is cute. Super cute. As you can see, definitely stretches. And I purchased this in an X1X. So this one was real cute, as you can see. And again, in the next video, I'm going to actually show you guys what it looks like spread it out. I was just excited. I wanted to get out the bag, and I'm actually doing some other things right now, some other projects. So I just wanted to get them out the bag right quick. And this is the shirt that goes to that. So I bought it kind of big because I wanted it to have like a big feel at the top and kind of like a little feel at the bottom. So I thought that was real cute. And again, this is in a size 1, I'm sorry, a size 1X, yes. So I figured even if I was to lose weight, I'll still have it like a bigger top and like a smaller type fitted bottom. Kind of like how I'm shaped. And this I'm super excited about. This is actually a silk jumpsuit. It's light blue, and I absolutely love the color. I love the feel to it. If it feels like what I think it feels like. And again, I'm gonna come and give you guys an actual description of each garment I have on the next video. Oh, this is cute. This is super cute. Look at that. It's cute. I don't know if you can see it. This is going to be super cute. And at the bottom, it's a cuff bottom. So I can't wait to rock this. This is going to be real cute. Real cute. And I bought this in a size XL. So these 3 pieces that I bought from Fashion Nova, total they came out. So the original price was, it was like $160 something, I believe. But I used a coupon code that they have. And also because it was my very first time ordering something from Fashion Nova, I got a discount on it. So it came out to, total it came out to a little over $100, about $101 or $2. It wasn't expensive at all. So I think I did pretty good on that haul. But yeah, just a little short haul, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, I will actually show you guys the garment. I'll show a full body picture of the garments that I purchased. And hope to see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome day. And don't forget to be the best you that you can be. And also, excuse my hair. Oh my God, it looks a mess. I gotta take these braids out. But anyway, have a good day, you guys. Bye.